everyone, and today I'll be making a meal for my mom. First, I will get some bread and cut a heart into it with my cookie cutter, press it down a lot, and then after we'll get our heart, I'll pull it out and there's our heart. I would then get a pan, put some butter on and place a heart-shaped toast onto it and let it butter toast. Then I will crack my egg into the heart shape and let that cook sunny-sided. Then once it's nice and cooked, I will add seasoning with parsley and salt. Like I told you before, I put some salt and parsley in for the seasoning onto the toast. Once I finish, I place it onto my plate. Next, I cut my avocado into slices. This is used for the decoration part, and it's very soft and creamy and will give the toast a nice and soft touch to the toast. I placed it on like so, as I told you, for decoration, and it's like that now. Then I got my toast I cut out with the cookie cutter and spreaded some Nutella onto it. Spread it out evenly and placed it onto the plate, and that was my meal for my mom. And this is the whole entire meal with the coffee, and thank you for watching. Bye.